Finally, it's time. Dogs, the biggest Telegram meme coin airdrop is coming on Binance Launchpad, and this is what everyone been waiting for. All right, there's a lot of information to be shared. New price prediction because the Binance just been announced as biggest trading platform. Where this is where the most volume is going to come from. So let's see where the price is going to be potentially launch price, and they're giving 20,000 free dogs token. Let's see how to get those. Okay, I'm going to explain you. If you already tried to deposit in different exchange or your wallet, let me just share with you step-by-step guide how to change that into Binance. Okay, so this was the news. It's going to come on Launchpad. It's just been announced. There's limited information, but the official information is, the community's been waiting for it. They're already doing it, and of course you need to do KYC to be able to deposit in Binance. And up to 20,000 dogs token will be gifted for depositing in Binance. Okay, so basically they want to reward and get more sign up on Binance. So this is why there's probably a deal happen. This is why it takes a while for Binance to accept any deal or anything, because it has to be mutual win-win situation. First 500,000 users will get 20,000 dogs. Remaining will get 10,000. You want to be in first 500,000 members because these millions are already claimed it. You need to be very quick. I'm telling you, you need to be quick. Watch the video to the full, and I'm going to explain you how to do it. Okay, you go launch the app. For me, unfortunately, I can't do it because new tokens do not list on Binance UK. So in the UK, many months ago, they stopped giving any referral commission. They stopped. I can't see the Binance Square. I can't trade new tokens that list there. So for me, the option will stay the same, the Telegram wallet, but you can change it. Okay, go to the bot, click here, right, and then go choose another option you got, and then go to exchange. They already have that Binance here. Get up to 20,000 dogs. So go get it right now. You got a chance, and send there, then submit your wallet and things like that. I can't do it right now, but you have the option to do it. Go ahead, do it quickly. It's 500,000, first 500,000 members. You need to be very quick before you miss the trend. Okay, that's pretty much it. It's simple as that. Go to your board, change it before you miss that, for 20,000 dogs token. I've made video on the price prediction. If you haven't watched that, make sure this is the video, a price prediction, and I go in details. I give you example of Notcoin and other coin. So explaining you logical reason, facts, and I've discussed Binance as well if it gets listed in Binance. Let's say supply is 500 billion. It is 500 billion. The 80%, it's a small margin. We're just giving a rough idea. And let's say the price will be this much. That's 550 million. Can we go that first day, maybe meme coin hype? If many people do not claim it, I don't think everyone's going to claim it. That's what happens in airdrops. Not everyone claims it unless they see it's getting hyped up in future. And this is why you see a lot of stories. People got the airdrop, they never used it, and now it's worth this much, this and that. So stories like that. So 550 million because 550 billion, I'm not putting all the zeros, so just giving you an idea, because 0.55 is 550 million. This is a realistic, okay, very realistic number. This would be, yes, very good number. Okay, if you see a price of 0.01, anything above, I would personally sell it. I'm going to sell mine. I think this is a good number. It's a meme coin. For now, we don't know what the future holds for this. Okay, I don't know how long it's going to survive. Initially, a lot of sellers will come. They will try to drag the price down. That's what happens to most of the meme coins eventually, especially the pre-sale one or the one that supply is given to the community. And remember, 80% supply is going to the community, and more like 90% of people just join this. And a lot of people join with so many wallets, and they just want to, cash out. Even $5. I've seen people saying, even if $5 will be happy, we just dump it. This is what the mindset these free holder got. So initially, we're going to see a dip. Then the smart money will start buying and bring a push, and then FOMO buyer will join in. This is how usually the psychological pattern works in the market. This is market psychology. It's not me making up anything. You go check the charts yourself. When Pepe listed on Binance, it dropped 86%. Now it's created a new all-time high. So this is a cycle, that psychological cycle, because smart money lets everyone dump it when it's dipping, and then eventually there will be a base created it will range for a while and then it will start going up, so things like that. So but in my opinion, this is a very good price to be looking for, 0.001. The worst case scenario could be, in my opinion, this is what we should have, at least minimum 200 under 300 million market cap, and it will worth peanuts if that happens. And 0. Let's say if I get 0.01, for example, I have 17,000 tokens, that would be $17. Not bad, absolutely not bad. A lot of people got a lot of tokens because they have a lot of wallets and they've been referring their own wallets and stuff like that, so they've been accumulating that way. I don't do those kind of things, but yeah, this is what I have right now. I've shared my video as well, you just seen it. That's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow my socials. So there's going to be link in right here as well, or it's going to be link below, Linktree link. So you click on that, you find all my social media list. Just follow it and do subscribe, because I'm going to bring you a lot of opportunities. Drone is hyping up. I'm bringing a lot of content about drone. The list is ready. I'm just gonna make video, upload for you, so you guys get the knowledge. Be early, because it's so important to be early in these, so you don't miss it. Okay, you don't want to miss the opportunity. You have to be very quick in these opportunities. Have a good day, guys. Bye.